Okay, good morning. Tuesday, November 24th. We don't have much activity overnight. You can see market close about somewhere right here. And then the 24th starts right here, just that much right there. I picked this right here, about 536-ish as the overnight low. Overnight highs up here. Not much to go off here. It's not really a swing. Although I can try to see if I can, what kind of swing do I get here? It doesn't hurt. Let's see, what does it fit? Yeah. Normally I change the color so that I don't get the two mixed up. Okay, here we are. Let's see. We got maybe a sideways. Let's see, we have a measure move here. Somewhere over here. So it looks like it's a trending day. It's already trending up, so most likely this is the channel we're gonna go with. Big swing right there, so let's get our channel going. See what we got. Got one correction right there. Over the EMA. Alright, see if we can get some trades in. Get into this congestion here, so I'll try to stay away from it, even though we get a tick up. So that's one correction, and then we tick back down here. That's technically this can be the case to go up, but I'm going to stay out of it because of the congestion. Oh, okay, so we got a couple of things going here. We have a second leg correction here that sort of fell, didn't get the scalp, went back up. We got a double top right here, and it's also retesting our green channel. Then we can play this either way here. I think if it goes over the upper top, it will get to our measure move. And then if I do have a solid short signal, because this is a second test of this line here, then but first off, we got to try to see if we can get a second entry long above this bar here. Right now it's just the first correction, so let's wait and see how this plays out. There's the tick over and then come down. I think we do have a
order submitted.
We do have a rejection to the of that trend line, which I like, because it's being tested here. Came back, close back inside, and then try to make an attempt to go back out, test that line again, and it's not. So right now we have a doji. I'm gonna get out of this.
Order canceled.
Yeah, we're sort of undecisive. These two candles make up a complete doji, so we're gonna have to see what the next candles are. The next candle will basically determine exactly what we're gonna do, short or long. Right now, I think both direction we have justification to go both. I do think that this is a trap to the short side right here, right now, but we'll see. Okay, so I like what I see here on the long side. We got a triple bottom right here, and right now we're approaching this. As soon as this bar closes, I'm gonna do it above the double top over here.
Order filled.
There you go. It's a perfect two-point risk. We don't really have a second entry. We did pull back a little bit here, but it's a pretty strong resistance right here coming down. That's where our stop gonna be.
Target filled.
Okay, so we got a scalp. We did not get 6 tick yet. Once 6 tick hit, this one's gonna move up, but I will move it up. And I think the anticipation of that measure move is somewhere right here, so I'm gonna leave it here in case we do get up there. Go 1 tick above to keep our wins. Maybe right here. Then I'm going to leave the recording on so that we can see the actions. Right now we can trap the gains in at one point in case it pulls back. But if you want to be really aggressive, we can wait until this bar finishes and just put it 1 tick below.
Stop filled.
Oh, there you go. We ended up only getting a point on the runner as well. So it looked like it did got to the measure move. I stepped away for a while. So I'm going to continue the recording on a different machine and then join the video. Gotta go somewhere. Hey, so like I said earlier, I had to go somewhere, and then I have a different machine set up where I'm going. And so here we are, gotta redraw. It's been, I think we took a last trade somewhere like way over here. So here we are, we got a couple of corrections right here. Got this channel going and that smaller channel. Looks pretty good. This is a second setup here. I don't know, we're sort of up. We got pretty good resistance where we're at. Well, support where we are at, but I just don't like going long when we're this far away from the EMA. I need more room. I need it to be further from the EMA for me to do it, or at least test this support line here a couple more times before I get in. Okay, so just like we thought, it take over, let's see, take over 3 ticks and then start going down, form sort of a double bottom right here. Now it's building against this little channel right here. So I think if it breaks through this, it's gonna test this. The only problem with this right here is that we haven't been testing it. However, we do have the low right here, right? So I think this acts like it's a pretty good it's a pretty strong support. I mean, it's tested right here, right here, right here. So I don't think we can go short right here until it actually clears this area. Okay, so as I said previously, right, I kind of want to see it test this area a few more times. So right now it's being tested, this little channel right here. So let's see how this candle ends. If it's a bullish candle or somewhere right here, I think it's a good indication that we can go long because of the support line right here. But we cannot make new lows though. Yeah, so it did. It drops further down. Too bad these supports are right here, so we couldn't really go in, but I like that little trap right there, go down. So we got support right here, support right here. Can't really just go below that 2 ticks, right? You got stuff right here. Don't feel too bad for missing that one. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look at this here, and I think if this closed below the EMA, I will go for it.
Order submitted.
Nope, not there, not enough. I'll try to go right here below these double dip. If it can close below that, I think it's a good entry point. I'm gonna cancel this right here. Too congested.
Order canceled.
that small trend right now going up. Okay, so we still haven't had an entry yet. I'm going to see if I can clear this right here. Actually, just because of that one tick up there, but it does look like it's a pretty good entry point for long, except for it's just a first entry, it's not a second entry. Yeah, I'm gonna back out of this. This is not a good.
Order canceled.
Okay, so if this turns around close as a bullish candle, or anywhere there's a bullish candle now, I'm gonna go long. We're moving along this channel right here. You can see rejected support at the EMA and the trend channel. Then we also have this one here.
Order filled.
Rejected. Okay, very good. A little bit earlier than I would
Target
like.
filled.
There you go. I'm gonna move this up to too late. Let's see. It's actually right here is where our stop is. Still closing above ENA and above the trend channel. I'm gonna go right here, just limit the loss. I'm okay with taking the risk now. It's almost like free money. Obviously, we want to keep the gains, but we don't want to beat ourselves up because we had the potential for it to run up here as well. There you go. The problem is, as soon as it breaks this, it's gonna run. I have a feeling. Oh, there's that right there. Oops. Okay, so now with that one tick over, I'm not gonna
Stop
take my
filled.
chances anymore because I don't want to get set up for a trap.